kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault. Just remember,
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a relaxing clean with me. So come along and follow me around my home as I have to get it clean. This was a day before the week had started, so I wanted the home to be very clean and things put away and the floor is vacuumed. So if you're like me, where you want to start either the week off right or the weekend off right, follow me along and hopefully this will give you some cleaning motivation for you and your home. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and give it a thumbs up if you enjoy cleaning videos. Thanks for watching.
I know you'll bounce back. Oh, and just remember, I will be there for you, baby. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. Don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call on me. I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, your finger. Tell me what you wanna do.
The vacuum that I'm using is the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal. I'll have it linked in my description box. I love it. It has saved so many hours and back-breaking work around the house. So if you're like me and just want to get things done as quick as possible, I would definitely check out the link in my description box.
You're calling, I'm falling. Don't know what it is you do to me, yeah. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. Going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6,
Here you're going to see two of the sweetest little sisters playing together in the playpen. Just enjoy, because I sure do.
I missed ya. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna
For a lot of my bathroom toilet cleaning, I do a lot of Dollar Tree shopping. I like their cleaning products and it's very affordable. So I use the toilet bowl cleaner in my toilets, and I also use the disinfectant wipes around the sinks and the faucet handles, just because I like to wipe those down to avoid any illness spreading. So if you want to spend a little less money and just have a quick access to some good cleaning products, go and shop the Dollar Tree.
yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Yeah, yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that heartbreak. Heartbreak, heartbreak, heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak. I'm going like 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at you while you're on the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready for that heartbreak.
My stored treads are from the improvementscatalog.com. If you're interested in solving like an issue with your dogs or cats trying to go up and down the stairs without falling or slipping, this is the purpose of the stair treads, is just to keep a more of a safe landing for those little, slippery paws. And that's why we got these for our little Yorkie.
Last, I wanna go back. I don't want no.
So when I do laundry, I typically use the Downy softener and also the Persil laundry detergent. I have grown to like these two brands. I've gone back and forth between many different brands, but these seem to be the most liked by the whole family and have not given any allergic reactions to any of us, so I enjoy them.
Even though you
felt no pain. We both knew our relationship was frayed. Those days, they didn't last. I wanna go back. I don't want no one but you. I know we'll make it through. When the life we know is gone, I know that we have. There's another side of you trying to break.
Thanks guys for watching. I hope this has given you some motivation to get up and clean some areas in your house. Please let me know in the comments what your favorite room to clean is. My favorite room to clean is my bedroom, because at night I can sleep peacefully knowing that it is clean. So have a wonderful day and come back and see new videos posted by me and click that red subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching.
Me